Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can insert image on Google Docs mobile. So probably some of you have already know how you can add an image in Google Docs on computer, but if you don't know how to do it on mobile, I'm gonna show you how. So first, I'm going to just start a new document on Google Docs. And in here you can see it's a little bit different with the one that you use on the computer. So if you want to add image, you need to click on the plus icon at the top right here, and here you'll find there's an option to insert image. Click on that, and here there are two options that you can choose. You can choose the image from photos, from camera, which you directly take a picture, or from web. So I'm going to just choose from photos, and you can just choose the photo that you want to add. So just like this, for example. And if you want to resize it, you need to click on the three dots icon, and then here change it into the print layout, and you can adjust the size like this by dragging the box at the edge of the image. Okay guys, so that's basically it on how you can insert image on Google Docs mobile. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.